صلى الله عليه وسلم وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن سيدنا محمدا عبد الله ورسوله اللهم صل وسلم وبارك عليك سيدي يا رسول الله. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our siyam. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. And I can see, mashallah, my brothers and sisters, most of them either busy or intending to sleep. So are you willing to sleep, inshallah? Yeah. Okay. So this is the most precious time, which is before iftar, as Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had instructed us. He instructed us sallallahu alaihi wasallam to remember Allah, to remember the Quran, and to make dua also during this precious time. But I noticed that we do not have too much brothers today. So what's the reason for that? Huh? Brother Faisal, yes. Where did you send people? People didn't come, didn't show up. No, they're coming. Are you okay. So, okay. They'll be here. As we used to say, actually, man la yashkur الناس la yashkur Allah. The one who does not thank people, he definitely will not be able to thank Allah, will not be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I wanted to thank our brother Jalal Chowdhury, Neptune. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless him for providing the iftar, inshallah al-alameen. Also our brother Mutiya. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give him his mercy. Allahumma ameen. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless their family members and their wealth. Allahumma ameen. And also we are sending salam to Baba, to his father. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give him health and give him barakah in his life. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. So you remember yesterday we agreed, especially our sisters who are talking, they agreed that we are seekers of the hereafter. So inshallah, if the sisters in the back, inshallah, they stay calm, we will make special dua for them. Especially Sister Ruby and Auntie Maryam, Sister Moina. Is Sister Moina here? Oh, she's not here? Oh, we are missing her so much. So, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all our sisters. Say Ameen. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We said yesterday that we are the seekers of the hereafter. So what does it mean? Jannah has the sense of sacrificing in dunya. If you are a seeker of a great purpose, which is Jannah, that means you are willing to sacrifice something. And now, let my brothers answer this question. If I wanted to make it to Jannah, what should I need to sacrifice? What should I sacrifice? Huh? What's number one? Time. Perfect. MashaAllah, Ismail. Allahu Akbar. That's great. Who else? What should I sacrifice in this dunya to get Jannah in the hereafter? Money. So if I have money from a haram source and it is easy for me to grab it, no, I will not take it. Why? Because I'm a seeker of Jannah. Number 3. Sleeping, yes. That's why Allah said, تَتَجَافَى جُنُوبُهُمْ عَنِ الْمَضَاجِعِ. You know Jannah, you know their sides? Allah said, the true believers, their sides will not rest completely while they are sleeping, and they'll be always in a constant state of waking up during night to pray for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you sacrifice money, sleep, time, and rest. What's the evidence for the rest? Rasulullah Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, his action is a great example for all of us. When he used to make long sujood till his feet used to swell. Sayyidah Aisha said to the Prophet Muhammad, Ya Rasulullah, hawwin alayk, take it easy. Take it easy, do not, exert too much efforts, you are so tired. She said, take it easy, Allah had already forgave all your sins. So he said, even though that Allah had forgiven my sins, shouldn't I be thankful to Allah? So Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he taught us the sense of sacrifice in Islam. And I'm telling my sisters, please listen to this carefully. And inshallah, if some one of you got offended, you will forgive me because we are in Ramadan. Okay? Will you forgive me, sisters? Some of you didn't respond. That means they are intending to not to forgive me. Yeah, right? So will you forgive me, inshallah? Alhamdulillah. May Allah purify your hearts. Ameen, Ya Rabbil Alameen. So if I have a sister in Islam, and she is the seeker of the hereafter, and it is so hot outside, should I put hijab on? Why? Why I should put hijab and it is so hot outside? Why I should put hijab while my sisters, sometimes they are making fun of me? While the people who are shopping at Walmart, at Sam's Club, or any place, they may look weird at me. Why should I do this? Why should I bear all of that? The answer is because I am a seeker of Jannah. Right? Okay. We are in a time, they call it modern. But let's put that on the side. In a time that every woman around you is wearing makeup. But I will decide, for the sake of Allah, that I will not wear makeup because I am a seeker of the hereafter. And let me talk to our young generations. Because if the topic is not relevant to you, so that means it's useless. We are in a time where the young generations have boyfriends, girlfriends, but you will stick out and you will say, you know what? I am different. I am not belong to this ideology because I am a Muslim. I am a seeker of Jannah. I will sacrifice this. They are telling me, how come that you do not have a girlfriend? And I will tell them, I do not have a girlfriend because I am a seeker of Jannah. So Jannah, to get Jannah, you need to sacrifice. And now let me ask you that question. Can a Muslim get Jannah without sacrificing? Absolutely not. So do not expect that you live in this dunya without sacrifice and you want to get Jannah at the end. You need to sacrifice something. Pleasure, enjoyment, drinking, money, time, sleep, parties. Sometimes I will sacrifice this because Jannah is waiting for me. May Allah let us all enter Jannah. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Let's raise our hands and may Allah accept our du'as. Ya Rabbil Alameen. اللهم لك الحمد يا ربنا كما تحب وكما ترضى. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد. اللهم تقبل صيامنا وصلاتنا وركوعنا. اللهم يا ربنا نور حياتنا بالقرآن. اللهم نور قلوبنا بالقرآن ونور بيوتنا بالقرآن. اللهم اهد شبابنا واهد بناتنا. اللهم اهد نساءنا. اللهم يا ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. اللهم اجمعنا بنبيك محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. اللهم بلغنا ليلة القدر. اللهم بلغنا ليلة القدر. اللهم اجعلنا ممن صام نهارها وقام ليلها واجعلنا في عبادك الصالحين. اللهم ارحم آباءنا وأمهاتنا. اللهم ارحمهم كما ربونا صغارا. اللهم اشف مرضانا وارحم موتانا. اللهم طهر قلوبنا وأصلح أحوالنا. اللهم ارزقنا الحلال وبارك لنا فيه وباعد بيننا وبين الحرام كما باعدت بين المشرق والمغرب. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. إن شاء الله.
الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. حي على الصلاة. حي على الصلاة. حي على الفلاح. حي على الفلاح. الله